been selling real estate in Panama City Beach for 22 years and I've seen a lot of very nice homes, but I've got one for you today that's spectacular. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today it's going to be a Gulf front home, private elevator, and a private pool in a globally known brand right here in Panama City Beach. Let's go. Margaritaville Beach Cottage Resort is located on the west end of Panama City Beach, very close to Pier Park, adjacent to Bidui Beach. Brand new beach complex. It has 14 Gulfront homes, a number of villas and cottages on the north side, an incredible set of amenities, and like I said, private elevator, private pool for this fantastic 6-bedroom, 6.5 bath, fully furnished Gulfront home. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's start on the ground level. From the beach side, you come in from the walkway to your own private pool, large deck area with a gas grill out there. Coming inside, you have a nice little area for entertaining with ice maker, refrigerator, wet bar area. Also a den with a TV, pool table, full bath and bunk room for the kids. Out the front is access to the covered parking. Okay, let's go take a look at the second level. I can't stress this enough. There are very few Gulfront homes in Panama City Beach with their own elevator. Okay, second floor. It's hard not to be impressed by the view right when you enter this level. There's plenty of room to stretch out and relax in this open concept, from a den to a separate seating area, to a dining room table that can seat 8, and a large, generous kitchen. Towards the front of the house are 2 en-suites, laundry area, and a half bath to service the main area. Okay, here we are on the 3rd floor balcony. There is one on the 2nd floor as well. And I've lived here a long time, but I've got to say, they're incredible views from up here. We just got a mini private air show from 4 F-35s that flew by. But on this level, we have 1 bedroom, another ensuite up towards the front of the house, and get this, 2 Gulfront en-suites. Great vacation rental property because of the design and the way it's set up. There are also bunks on this level, so you can sleep a lot of people. Also, you can move up and down the house not only on the private elevator, but there's a spiral staircase outside, so it's easy to access and go on different floors. There you have it, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, Gulfront, private pool, private elevator, incredible amenities right here at the Margaritaville Beach Cottage Resort. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. If you have any more questions or want to see this in person, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. Thanks for watching.